Babe. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Now this reception just the question transfer go, no go. This I see I don't do one. Just for keeping you waiting. Just on way the bad girls they pay. I just massage me well. Money no be problem. I just cash out. We'll do one strong thing today.
You sure?
Sure. You don't jam guy like me before.
I hope so you like a 2-minute guy.
2 me?
Yes.
Babe, man, I'll show you something. Come on, man, show you something. It's good. It's a 2 minute waiting. 2 minutes waiting. I will chicken.
You're not playing.
Me? Yes. Let's go there. Bring the game. Let's go there. Wow, let's go there. Got there, baby. Yeah, this is what we're talking about. How do you see the place?
Nice.
It's nice. This place, I'm gonna rock you now. Rock you like never before. Yeah! Oh! Oh!
Sorry.
Thank you.
Hope you didn't enjoy yourself.
Oh, I did.
Sorry.
See what I paid for. See what I paid for. Oh, I can't take this. I can't take this, babe. See what I paid for.
Come, let's manage it. Like
No. Don't tell me that.
let's manage it, please.
See what? No. God. If it's not for you, babe, I won't take this.
Will you keep quiet?
What nonsense? They will just be calling people money anyhow. You get that now? Babe, sit down. Oh, I'm going to knock you tonight. Babe, see, I went for biology. I'm Sabian. I go for social studies. I'm Sabian. Doctoring, I go 3 times. I'm Sabian. But when it comes to this bed matter, I Sabian pass. Wait, is this your original yash? Oh my God, it look like red meat. It's actually. Don't worry, baby. Go and shower, let's do this. Go and shower, let's do this. Get on. Who be Davido for where me at the sing? If na music, who be Davido? I dey sing Jagba, and for here, this babe go sing for me. Please, don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I'm the only son of my mother. Please don't kill me.
Shut up! Sorry. I was raped by 7 men.
Are you new?
And I was pregnant. No husband. No father. I give birth to a baby girl in the hospital and I die.
So you're dead.
Did you think I would ever forgive a man?
No. I'm in trouble. I can't forgive me. I'm not a man. No.